Celestial refers to anything related to the sky, stars, or outer space. It can also describe something that feels heavenly, divine, or otherworldly. Celestial means something connected to the sky, stars, or anything that seems divine or perfect. Celestial adjective, astronomical, relating to the heavens or outer space. Example, the celestial bodies like the sun and the moon light up the night sky. Celestial adjective, divine, describing something heavenly, perfect, or extraordinary. Example, the view of the mountains at sunrise was truly celestial. Celestial noun, astronomical, a star, planet, or other heavenly body. Example, astronomers study celestial objects to understand the universe better. Celestial figurative, referring to something that seems exceptionally beautiful or sublime. Example, her celestial voice captivated the entire audience. The celestial lights of the northern sky were mesmerizing. The astronaut was awestruck by the celestial bodies visible in space. The celestial beauty of the sunset left everyone in awe. We looked up at the celestial stars, wondering about the mysteries of the universe. The celestial harmony of the choir's music made the event unforgettable. Celestial describes things connected to the heavens, like stars and planets. It can also refer to something so extraordinary or beautiful that it feels almost divine or otherworldly.